Hello creative Tartanites and welcome to day 15 of 'Tis the Season to be Jolly Journaling. Today I am going to just share with you a little bit of a fun way to journal. It is nothing particularly exciting, but I'm just really demonstrating just how we can make writing a little bit more fun. Today's prompt is what decision or decisions are you most proud of this year? So I thought that as we were on the back page of this one where I've just simply written things in different colours and used a little bit of washi tape to decorate the page, I would just continue with the vein of just simply writing, but writing in a creative way. I am just going to write, and what I'm doing will become apparent as I carry on, but what I will do is I will put it into time lapse for you so it does not get too boring when you're watching me just simply write. I'm going to start off on this side of the pen and I'm starting off with pink. Let's cue that music.
The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days, wander around with you. You and me in the cold, thought it'd never be true. Wherever I go, I got you. Oh, I have stopped running, there is no way trying. You better loosen your belts. Drinking hot wine by the fire, don't care of anything else.
So there you have it. They are my decisions that I'm most proud of this year, all written in a spiral. From deciding to keep going with my YouTube, to entering art competitions, and all sorts of wonderful, lovely decisions that I've made. What decisions are you most proud of this year? Take care of your mental well-being, because nobody else will. Thank you very much for watching. Creative sparkles to you all, and I'll see you all again tomorrow. Bye for now.